Hello everyone, I am Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class will study about the light, in which here is the topic on which we have to discuss. The topic is reflection. What does it mean about that, the reflection? Reflection happens when reflections happen when there is a condition followed. What are these conditions? These conditions are these are the conditions. What are these conditions? Conditions are first, when light rays travels on the plane, reverse back into its own medium by same angles. What it is? When the light rays travels on the plane, reverse back into the same its own medium by the same angles. So what does it mean if the light hits on the plane? Suppose it is the plane and it comes back or it falls onto the object O. So these light rays falls on the object and can travel up to its own medium by the fixed angle. These angles are termed as incident angle, and this angle is called reflected angle. So what does it mean? It means that on which the reflections happen when there is incident angle and reflected angle are same. When it is formed, when there is incident angle is equal to reflected angle. When it will be formed? It will be formed when there is this angle is equal to this. So that only with the reflections happen. This is the first rule. And the second rule is what? Second rule is the reflections happen when there is an angle of incident of light rays, that is the incident rays, reflected rays, and a plane always point in a same plane. What are these three things? The incident rays, the reflected rays, and the point, that is the same plane, the surface on which it falls, that are always in the same plane, that is termed as, this could be applicable when there is reflections happen. The third thing is the rule number third is a reflection wave happens if there is the incident rays, this rays, incident rays, and reflected rays are equal to each other, equal to each other, then this is said to be what? The reflection happens. What is actually the reflection means? We have to know that reflection, whenever the light rays falls on any object that are very smooth, polished, when the light rays falls on any object that are very smooth, polished, so the light, if it is polished surface or smooth surfaces can show the reflection. Whenever the light falls on it can be revert back into its original own medium. That is termed as reflection. Whenever the light rays hits on this surface and it can revert back onto its original medium into the same directions but the opposite. That is called as a reflection. So the reflection always happens in such a case when there is a ray falls on a surface and it can revert back into its original medium. That is called reflection. So type of a reflection happens, the reflection happens due to these laws. Now here is the next one. Reflection can be of two types. That is what? It can be of two types. The first one is parallel reflection, and the second one is rough reflection or irregular, this one is called regular reflection, or it is rough reflection or irregular reflection. So on which we have to first talk about that the regular reflection. Regular reflection is what? Regular reflection are those kind of a reflection that happens on a plane or a smooth surface. When the reflections happen on a smooth surface with the same type of a angle, then this is called, this one is called regular reflection. Why? Because the angle of incident and the incident angle, these are always same to the angle of reflection. So that could be termed as what? It is a regular reflection. Why? Because these reflections happen as there is same type of angle form. So that is called a regular reflection. If the reflections happen in a manner that the incident angle is equal to the reflected angle, so that can come as a regular reflection. If there is angle of reflection is different from the angle of incident, what will happen if there is a surface that is irregular? If the surface is regular, the reflection will always be regular. If there is irregular surface, so the reflection will be always irregular. This kind of a reflection is called irregular or rough reflection. Why? Because this surface area is to be rough, that is irregular. These are in rough or irregular means. So whenever the incident falls on it, the angle of incident is never the equal of angle of reflection. So why this is called irregular or rough reflection. Next to that, that is object with the smooth surfaces and object with the rough surfaces we have already discussed. Now the next one is real and virtual images. Real and virtual images. What are these real and virtual images? We can call it the real image. रियल इमेज क्या कहेंगे इसको हम? रियल इमेज कैसे फॉर्मेशन होता है? रियल इमेज वो इमेज होते हैं जिसका हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, जिसको हम लोग एक पर्दे पे या स्क्रीन पे उसका डायग्राम मिल सकता है या उसका फोटो मिल सकता है। तो हम कह सकते हैं रियल इमेज इज वन दैट कैन बी विच कैन बी प्रोड्यूस्ड ऑन सीट और स्क्रीन. This is called real image. Why this can be formed? This can be formed because the light, the reflection, or you can say the screen and the formation of the image actually formed due to the reflection or due to the reach or the interaction of rays actually meet with these reflected rays are actually meet at the surface after reflection. That means if the rays falls, this can be meet the light rays. It is formed by the light rays which is actually meet. It is meet, so that can be an image formed on the screen. If the image can form on the screen, this is called the real images. As we know, wherever the projector you have seen, प्रोजेक्टर आपने देखा होगा, प्रोजेक्टर पे जो इमेज बनता है, टीवी से इमेज बनता है, वो इमेज बनता हुआ दिखाई देता है क्योंकि उसकी रेज एक जगह पे मिलती हुई दिखाई देगी. तो इस तरह के इमेजेस को हम क्या कहेंगे? रियल इमेज कहेंगे. दूसरा है virtual image. What does it means about the virtual image? एक बात करेंगे हम लोग बात करेंगे वर्चुअल इमेजेस की. वर्चुअल इमेजेस आर दोज इमेज दैट द रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज आर द रेज which cannot actually meet, but it is observe that it feels about to meet but it can't meet as well. So these type of images cannot be oriented towards the screen, or this image cannot be formed on screen, but it can be feels like their images or their reflection can be caused, or this rays, reflected rays can be meet after the reflection at a particular. It could not be meet. This can only be imagined, or this can be assumed that there is a form of image. What is main differences in this? We will talk about later.